Hello everyone. We are proud parents of Aditya Jain. My name is Gaurav Jain. I am from engineering background and working professional, and she is my
Myself,
wife.
Neha Bansal, and I am a very proud mother of Aditya Jain. He has scored 596 this year. In this was the most toughest paper of the history, and I am very thankful to Target for guiding my child.
After completing 10th class, and Aditya secured 99% marks and chose the field to continue with medical. I came to know about Target from my brother-in-law, as my nephew got the seat in AIMS while studying with Target.
Even both the children secured government medical college from Target only. So we are very happy that we also came to know about Target, and our children secured a government medical seat as well. So
So on 19th April 2023, we visited Target, and the same day orientation program conducted by Target faculty, and there we met all the teachers like Kiran ma'am, Dylan sir, Damanjit ma'am, and they explained all the curriculum, all the course in detailed manner, how they are going to conduct test series, how they are going to cover the course, so, like that, the journey begins.
the most important thing is the tests, and Target covers it in a very consistent manner. The daily tests are conducted, which are known as DPTs, and the monthly RTS, and then we have the grand test series. And I'm very proud that my child was acing every test, and he was very consistent throughout, because these tests helped him in his journey. And the more important thing is the discussion which were held after the tests, and that aided the child knowing his doubts, and the teacher cleared the every doubts whenever he went. After 3 o'clock the classes are completed, so the teachers were very reachable. Basically, he could contact any teacher anytime. Kiran ma'am was very supportive throughout. So we are very happy that we came to know about Target. I am saying this again and again, because we are very grateful.
I visited Target in starting only. After that, I don't remember. In 2 years, there is a requirement to visit again. Any regarding any doubts or anything with my son education related. So they covered basically all the course in such a manner that my son is going to face any type of test, like, because this year the history NEET toughest paper came, and my son is able to take that stress and perform so well. I am so thankful to Target faculty that they have taught my son so well all the subjects: physics, chemistry, biology, genetics, in a thorough manner, so that the complex question he can solve so easily without stress. And the result is today we are sitting and enjoying and celebrating his success.
My child is very fond of the teachers, especially the Manjeet ma'am and Dhilan sir. His journey in Target was very consistent, and it was very the perseverance which takes the child to ace his exam. The teachers were constantly helping him, and he was also taking all the burden which was required with very ease. So the 2 years, how the 2 years went away, we didn't realize. But actually, the hard work is done by the child only, and he has wonderfully performed in the exam. So we are very happy.
I want to say only one thing, that this medical journey, everyone knows, is so tough. But after taking the train of Target, we didn't feel the stress of this journey. And now, after reaching the destination in one of the top most Delhi medical college, I'm we are feeling so proud that I can't say anything. What I find in Target is that they are giving end to end solution. Like hostel facilities there, transportation facilities there, and during the education, all doubts, all study material covering NCRT, board exams, all type of test series, everything. So this type of homely atmosphere you will not find in any other coaching center. Personal touch with all the teachers, and connection with parents through WhatsApp, scorecard, everything. So it's a proper total package and bundle, and the bond, because target is a home away from home, and the child feels so comfortable during his 2 year journey that whenever he found any problem, doubts, he can go to Kiran ma'am, all the teachers, and find
Kiran
the
ma'am,
solution of
Kiran
all
ma'am
his
is
problem.
also offering those meditation and these.
Yes,
Kiran ma'am
yoga.
is also guiding. She's setting a proper timetable for the children. In the last months, she was giving a day-to-day timetable so that they can prepare. The preparation is made very easy actually. Everybody is preparing throughout the for these exams, but the kind of the timetable she gives now, it's very very very. It makes the preparation very easy actually.
And one more thing, whenever there is pressure in your head, and you find the space to ease that pressure with the teacher, so that comfort when the student gets, that I think can happen only in Target. You will not find anywhere else.
So anyone who is preparing for the NEET 2026 exam or 2027, I will suggest him to go for Target, because I don't think ki there is any other institute that offers this wide array of opportunities for child to perform and to prepare. I think that is the three, as Dylan sir said in the orientation, it is a three-fold relationship, which is a teacher, parent, and the student. And here, teacher plays an important role. And I don't think so ki I will find any other teachers like the physics. The concepts are cleared over here. The tests conducted. I am saying this again and again because I really find this very helpful. I will suggest everyone to go for Target if they are preparing for the medical.
Thank you very
Yes,
much.
thank you.
Thank you for supporting us.